So there's a big difference between theory and practice. And theory has tremendous value because we imagine new things, we go into new directions and we try to figure things out. But unless it's useful, unless people can actually apply it, it remains just that, a theory. So my teaching style is that of I want my students to walk away from any class that I teach having skills, having something they can immediately use and apply in their own studies, in their own thinking about life, in their own problem solving. I want people to have real practical techniques. It doesn't matter who you are, if you're a professional counselor or consultant or astrologer, and you might learn some new tricks that are really useful in helping you do your job better. It's a skill set. It's a bag of tricks. How do I do this? It's recognizing things in a very practical way. And with tricks, I don't mean trickery. I mean skills. I mean, just if I do this, this helps. So insights that are useful and practical. So that's my teaching style, always has been, and it seems to work. I have seen some people after the first 9 week course and talked to them afterwards, and I was astonished by how much they learned, and I knew they knew nothing. So clearly the model is working, and people are walking away. As I say, if you do the homework in this course of, practical introduction to astrology, then you will be able to decipher a chart. You'll be able to look at a chart and read what is there. You won't be able to interpret it fully. That might take a little more time. So this course now, number 2 in this practical astrology course, is going to be about just that. How do I actually take the skills that I've learned so far, which is how to read and decipher what's there, and I know what the moon looks like, and I know what a moon Venus opposition looks like, and I even might have some ideas of what that means. And I have an idea of the elements and the quadrants and the sound signs and the houses and all that complexity that you learn in the first course. Once that's done, now you want to start looking at some real charts. So we're going to do 2 charts collectively in the class every time. And, that is the synthesis ability. That is the ability to see the whole picture and to grasp what I call, how do you understand a chart in 3 minutes? What is the essence of this person? What is the essence of this situation, of this moment in time that we are reading? That is the skill and the gift that we are looking for to convey to others. And that's what I do in this class. So I've taught a similar class before, and the style just works. It is people get to say whatever they want. It's a safe environment. They can try things out. There's no mistakes. I might push back. I might say that's interesting. However, I might go more in this direction, or I might say that's a great idea. I never thought of that. So whatever comes up, we trust that the moment creates that co-creation between all of us in the class. It's a very intimate and intense kind of a setting where we're looking at these charts. I'm not dictating saying, here's what this means in this chart, never. But I say, I might be thinking of this, or I might be wondering about that. So it is a collaborative effort of a whole group of people to teach each other ways of looking at the complexity of a chart. That's what we're doing in this second class.